Here stands Alqimma, a Saudi industry that began with ambition and grew into a name that commands respect, a name built on commitment, on the trust of clients who chose reliability above all else. Here is where every idea begins, where vision transforms into design, design into precise engineering. Since the year 2000, Alqimma equipment industry began its industrial journey. We entered this field with real, hands-on experience in operating block factories, and with a deep understanding of production challenges and the demands of continuous high-pressure operation. Our beginning was in manufacturing block molds for mobile block machines, large and small, with high engineering precision and quality built to withstand the toughest operating conditions. But Alqimma's ambition was never limited. We expanded into manufacturing block production machines, developed advanced concrete batching plants, and produced factory spare parts with high reliability standards. Over the years, Alqimma evolved into a fully integrated industrial system. We manufacture complete concrete and volcanic block factory equipment, from the mold to the full production line. Across 10,000 square meters, our current facility stands today as a true industrial powerhouse. Here, steel is cut with precision. Here, heavy components are assembled. Here, equipment is tested under real operational pressure. And here, the quality we are proud of is built. The Alqimma name was not built through advertising, but through performance, through consistency, and through long-term commitment to our clients. Today, Alqimma is recognized as one of the leading industrial names in the Middle East in terms of manufacturing quality, product diversity, and the ability to deliver complete integrated solutions. But we do not stop at achievement. And this is the result. Equipment operating efficiently, stable production lines, factories achieving higher output with consistency and quality, a fully integrated industrial hub for advanced block lines, molds and batching plants, expanding capacity, boosting automation, and reaching global markets, in line with Saudi Vision 2030. From 10,000 to 100,000 SKM. Innovation drives every step we take. Modern metal industries powered by automated internal production lines. Here, we will multiply our production capacity. Alqimma Equipment Company. Unlimited ambition.